Understanding the Law the Right Way. Chapter 3. The Encounter You Didn't Know You Could Decline. This is Mr. Why from Truality.Legalese. Most police encounters don't begin with suspicion. They begin with permission. An officer can initiate contact without needing a reason, and legally, you may be free to leave. Most people don't realize that choice exists, because authority creates pressure before the law ever applies. Heart rate rises. People explain instead of pause. Consent happens without awareness. This chapter isn't about resistance or confrontation. It's about recognizing when participation is optional and why discipline early on prevents problems later. If you want clarity instead of assumptions, stay tuned. Full breakdowns are on the blog, link in bio. New posts weekly. Truality.Finance is a parent brand, built on clarity, confidence, and steady progress. No noise, no pressure, just tools that help you stay grounded and in control of your financial journey. Stay steady, stay real, stay you. This message was brought to you by Mr. Why, dedicated to transparency, authentic financial education, and empowering you to create a future rooted in integrity. Images are for representation. Product may vary in color, texture, or design. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates from Truality.Finance and my other channels. Truality.Legalese, .mental, and .unfiltered. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thank you.